12 years ago, a boy with great hopes and big dreams was born. That boy happened to be me. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sarik Rathana. Before I begin my speech, I would like to express my greatest gratitude to our founder, chairman and CEO, Dr. Mengly J, Quach, President of AII Language Center, Mr. Sophia Amle, President of AIS, Madam Yanaru, Senior Management, General Committee, Heads, Deputy Heads, Campus Directors, Deputy Campus Directors, teachers and staff for making this day possible. It is with my greatest honor to celebrate this day with my fellow graduates. As today's representative, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of you. I believe that not a single person in this venue has done it alone. I think that everyone here has received significant help from their parents and educators, which have been a crucial role in bringing us here today. I know that everyone is excited to receive your well-deserved certificates recognizing your exceptional talent and accomplishment. But beforehand, let me express my excitement as we celebrate and graduate the AII Kid Program, Class of 2024. Every day, I wake up with a deep sense of pride knowing that I attend school here at AII. This is because I get to learn new things and become a better version of myself. Speaking of better versions, I believe I am at my best self right now. But in the past, I have faced social struggles, which have made it hard for me to make friends. How did I overcome this, you might be asking? Well, a teacher came up to me and told me, "Rathana, you are a star. I see your potential. Don't be afraid to shine." That statement rang within my head for days upon days. And that was when I started my journey of enhancing my communication skills. I did this by having a lot of conversations with my cousins and family members. At times, they did get a little bit tired, but that didn't stop me. On the other hand, studying at AII has provided numerous opportunities for me to step up and build my self-confidence through exciting experiences like the school contest. Speaking of contests, once I discovered the confidence I knew I had from within, I registered at every opportunity that is given. At times, I made significant progress, while others, I fell short. In late of 2023, I stumbled upon a debate contest poster. To be quite honest, I did not know what a debate entailed, but nevertheless, I still wanted to join. Lucky for me, that day, our head teacher, Mr. Laprat, substituted our class and encouraged us to join the upcoming Mengly J debate and public speaking competition. I was the first to volunteer, despite not having a team. But my friends did come to my rescue, and that was how We Are Judgy was formed. At first, we had different ideas on how to debate, but once we found our common ground, we were like unstoppable. We worked together. However, we faced a struggle. It was when I had to change to the morning shift, while everyone else remained in the afternoon. This meant we couldn't practice together. But still, we did not give up. We found the idea to video call, discussing our plans, tactics, and practice together online. Yes, we continued to practice until the elimination round came. We were so nervous, yet so excited at the same time. We told ourselves we were going to do our best. We were going to be proud of ourselves, regardless of the outcome. We managed to pass and make it to the semifinals and final round. We continued to practice diligently and worked closely together as a team. Step by step, we managed to become the 7th Mengly J debate champions. Throughout this journey, I realized that life is unpredictable and you can't always expect to remain in the same position indefinitely. As Stephen King once said, you can get busy living or get busy dying. This goes to show that you should work your hardest and strive to become the best. But also, there's no harm in stopping a little. Smell the flowers and enjoy the beauty of life. Once I made the transition to be here at AII, I knew I'd feel at home, because each and individual teachers always worked their hardest to welcome me as the students embraced me. Yes, once I started here, I witnessed significant improvement in my speaking and communication skills. The same can go for my reading, writing, and spelling abilities. This is a testament to the dedication of each and individual teachers who work their hardest so that their students can be here today. I hope you all can find your ways of expressing gratitude for all the steps, both are which successful and challenging, that have led you to this destination. Before I started here, I was like a tiny seed which was buried deep within the ground, uncertain of what lay ahead. But once I found the right nourishment that I needed here within these walls, I managed to flourish. From that small, tiny, and fragile seedling, I became a champion of contests and someone who was honored as a 2024 Kid Program representative. I would like to dedicate this section to my mother and father for providing such a great opportunity for me to study here at AII, but also to any friends, family members, teachers, and allies who have helped the graduating students here today. Please know that your contributions will never, ever be forgotten. Thank you.